Hi, everybody. I'm Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. And happy Thursday, everybody. It is looking a little toasty out there, feeling toasty, looking summery, that's for sure, even though it's not quite summer just yet. That's still a bit away, about a week or so before the summer solstice. Meantime, we are going to be seeing and feeling rather hot. There is a little break in terms of heat and humidity, but then temperatures are expected to soar, and we could be looking at our first official heat wave of the 2024 summer season. First of all, we're going to have a look at crib cam, and here it is, some puffy clouds out there, a little cumulus cloud action. But this live look from the City of Cleveland Water Division crib cam looking toward downtown to Cleveland. We courtesy them as well. You can see some of the ripples out on the lake. Meantime, no small craft advisory. It's fairly quiet. I mean, at times we do have a bit of a breeze, 5 to 10 knot winds out of the west and becoming west and then north for tomorrow. Wave action 2 feet or less. And with an onshore wind tomorrow, that might keep lakeside areas just a bit cooler. The water temperature is still holding at 66 degrees. Let's check satellite imagery. You can see there were what looked like a couple of showers potentially firing up with a very weak weather system earlier this morning, but you can see how that falls apart. And those clouds have yielded to nothing more than full sunshine. Now, right along the Ohio border with Michigan, there's some cloud cover, but nothing showing up on radar. Could there be a spotty shower? I guess it's not out of the question in the heat of the day, but that's not in the general forecast for everyone. A little wider view of the state of Ohio and across the Ohio Valley. You can see the next closest weather system is over Wisconsin and Iowa. There are some showers and some thunderstorms showing up on radar as well. But the scene looking fairly quiet over the Ohio Valley. There are some clouds and thunderstorms over southern Florida. Again, they're getting pummeled. The Sunshine State not living up to its name by any means, by any stretch, especially the southern part of Florida. Meanwhile, here's regional radar, and there are some light rain showers stretching out of the lower peninsula of Michigan down into Milwaukee and over to Sioux Falls. Also, some rather potent thunderstorms over Sault Ste. Marie, just to the west of there, and you can see some storms up around Thunder Bay. Otherwise, the rest of the region is fairly quiet. Will that continue to be the case? That's the question. Well, here are the maps for tonight. There is a cold front, and that is what is sparking those thunderstorms and showers upstream. We'll show you the overnight map now. You can see it kind of gets its act together a little bit more. There are some strong thunderstorms expected over Missouri into Illinois along the front. That's where the most active region of that front will be, it looks like, overnight. By tomorrow morning, that front starts to encroach on the northern part of the state. So we could be dealing with some showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight, probably just before sunrise on Friday, on into the morning rush hour Friday. But then improvement is on the way relatively quickly because that front blasts through tomorrow afternoon, perhaps with relatively little fanfare. We'll keep our eyes on it. There could be some thundery weather along the front. As of right now, severe weather not expected. That could change, though. By tomorrow night, the front is just about cleared the state. So I think through the day on Friday, we'll see improving sky conditions. So we'll call it eventually becoming sunny. It's going to be a very gradual process from northwest to southeast, lower dew points as well as that Canadian high settles in over the Great Lakes Saturday morning. And that should provide us with quite a stunning start to the weekend. Okay, let's have a look at the future radar. I'll kind of zoom in on this a little bit or make it full screen so you can see how the showers and thunderstorms begin to blossom overnight tonight into early Friday morning. There could be some showers around that hang in there Friday morning and even some storm clusters in the afternoon on Friday, but the whole package is going to clear out relatively quickly. So it is definitely not going to rain the entire day tomorrow. And the good news is we get the nicer and I'd say much more comfortable weather pattern here just in time for the weekend. Here's also some good news. The dew points have been relatively high. I guess we're going to skip that map, but I think the weekend is going to sport some lower dew point numbers as well. All right, let's have a look at our forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy skies eventually. It will be muggy, buggy, a little bit on the warm side. Overnight lows upper 60s to near 70. Again, showers and rumbles of thunder developing late. It'll be well after midnight, I think, before this happens in any widespread fashion, especially towards sunrise on Saturday morning. Sundown tonight, incidentally, 9:02 with southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, our Friday looks like we could start off with showers and thunderstorms, eventually becoming sunny from northwest to southeast as the cold front goes through. Temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. Sunrise 5:53. Winds will be out of the west at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And here's a look at the extended outlook. Saturday's high 78. Pleasant, beautiful Saturday. Boy, we're going to turn the heat up, though, starting on Sunday, and humidity levels will start to creep up as well. Could this be a bona fide heat wave? Well, that's considered 3 days in a row at 90 degrees or greater. And there's certainly potential that could be a heat wave starting on Sunday and continuing on to Monday and Tuesday as well, as temperatures level off in the low to mid 90s. Going to be a hot one, so get ready for that. Heat index values could approach the triple digits, century mark, maybe 100-degree feels like temperatures for early next week. We will keep you posted on that. Meantime, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day today, and thanks for stopping by here from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am AJ Colby. Hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye-bye.